Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. This is the card we're making today. Very simple rainbow card. So let's get started. I've got a piece here of basic white that measures 14.35 centimeters by 10 centimeters. And we're going to stamp using this stamp set Country Bouquet. I'm going to use mainly these two here. I have used this one as well. It's a lovely stamp set. So let's start off with my colours. I'm going to start off with real red, and let's get my simple chamois out as well so I'm ready. And I'm going to stamp going down, and then inside I'm going to stamp these two little hearts like that. Let's clean this off as we go. I don't want to contaminate our next ink pad, so close that one up. So that was real red. This is pumpkin pie. And I'm going to go down pumpkin pie. Clean that as I go. Make sure it's clean. Then take my little ones and put them down. There, give that a clean. Close that up. And let's go on to Daffodil Delight. Okay. Sorry for the squeak as I'm cleaning, but you do need to, obviously have to clean your pads, your stamps in between so you don't contaminate. And next is Granny Apple Green. It's a lovely bright vibrant green. So I'll do that there. Stamp a little hearts like that. Clean off both of these. Now we're going to go to Pacific Point for our blue. I think I'm going to go back up the rainbow like that, so slightly different to before. There we go. I love Pacific Point, it's such a beautiful blue. And then Gorgeous Grape. I think that's going to go there. And then our little. So that's what we've got so far. So clean this off. Now last time I added out extra hearts, but I'm not really sure they actually added anything at all to the card. So I'm going to leave this a much more clean and simple one. So I'm going to set those aside. Set that aside. I'm going to bring in some scrap and we're going to stamp our sentiment, which is going to be in Pacific Point. And this is from an old favourite of mine, Peaceful Moments, and we're going to use Thinking with You with All My Heart. So let's stamp this. There we go. Lovely. So clean that up as best as I can. give it a better clean later. Okay, so our card base here is real red. Now last time I wrapped the ribbon, I'm not going to do that this time, I don't think. I think I'm just going to stick this straight down now. It's going to be a very simple design. All these lovely hearts being there, letting them sing. Then I need to cut my sentiment, which is this one here. Okay, so we're going to cut this down, and that will do fine. And then I have another piece of basic white I just remembered, same size as the other one, and this is just going to go on the inside of our card. As a little insert, like that. And then we're going to mat our sentiment on some Pacific Point cardstock. Like that. So there we go. Okay, so let's start arranging things. I'm going to have that in the centre. I'm going to use this ribbon, this is the Real Red combo ribbon, to tie a bow. It's a scrap that I've got. So, just neaten it off. That will do. Let's see. How do we want this? No, I don't want to cover that. So last time I had this up here, but I think I'm going to have this in the centre. I'm going to have that bow right there. So let's put some dimensionals on the back of our sentiment. So let's stick our bow down with some glue dots. Put that, I think, on the edge there. And then I've got some of our red rhinestones here. I'm just going to use this to add a little embellishments. So just give some interest where there's nothing else on the card. I think I'm going to use 5 this time. Just like that. So there you can see the two styles of the same card. You can tell me which one you prefer. I hope you enjoyed the project. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know. And please don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you want more information about the project, supply list, measurements, etc., it's all on the blog post on my website. And the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.